Okay, so today we are going to show you a quick dinner for the whole family. Everyone is going to love this one. It's delicious. Like I said, for the few weeks, we're showing you just some quick recipes that are healthy because a lot of people keep saying to me, how can you be healthy? It takes hours to cook healthy stuff. Let's just buy something that's already made. So all it is sweet potato. It's going to be stuffed sweet potato, and then we're going to grill it once we've put all the stuffing into it. And all we did was, you can microwave it if you want it to be quick, 10 minutes in the microwave. You just get your sweet potato and you get a fork and you just poke it everywhere and then put it in the microwave, put 4 sweet potatoes in the microwave, and every few minutes just turn them and then keep going until they're soft. Otherwise, you can bake them at the beginning of the week, which sometimes I do. So what we've done is we've taken...
I love feta.
I love feta too. You slit the top and then you just squeeze the bottom. And as you can see, stuffing the inside of the sweet potato will come out. But then you scoop it, but make sure you leave like a little bit, like about 2 centimetres, you know, of sweet potato inside so that it's not completely empty. And then you mush it. Can you mush it? And I'm going to use black beans because I'm making a Mexican style one. And I've put all the inside of the sweet potato here. And we'll put some black beans in there. Yeah, what do we got?
Oh, I don't know.
Now, just to make the flavour Mexican, I've just got Mexican seasoning, which you can buy anywhere. Okay. So now we just mix the seasoning through. So now I'm going to get the sweet potato and I'm going to fill it. Here we go, stuffing. I know you like the feta. I know, it's your favourite. Okay, so we'll use this tray. So we'll put some feta on top.
I've got the big.
Like that. And some olives. And then when we come back, I'll show you what else we do to finish it off. We'll be back in a second. So I got the sweet potatoes from under the grill. It's grilled the top a bit, so browned it, and it's melt the cheese. And now we're about to put the rest of the filling. And now all I'm going to top it with, so maybe I'll just top these ones, and a bit of tomato on top and some smashed avocado. Love smashed avocado. Olives and some other cheese, even though there's a little bit of cheese already in there. Now, this will fill the whole family's belly. Enjoy. Please follow us on Facebook, Mums at the Table, to see more recipes, or YouTube, Mums at the Table. And we've got some amazing healthy recipes for you and your family. We'll see you next time with more.